level. And now it is racing time. Jeremy and Brandon are out with some lawnmowers. What's going on, guys?
Hey, Molly, that's right. We are ready to get started. Southern Tier Power Sports Lawn Racing. Jeremy, you are going down. I'm telling you right now.
Probably if I pass out. That's about it. That's about your only chance.
We're going to get right to it. This is sponsored by Scott's Small Engine. They're down in Cincinnati at the fairgrounds out there. Dean Catlin. Okay, Dean, we're going to go one lap, pacing
You're
lap.
going to have a parade lap, and then you're going to go green coming off the next corner, then a white flag, and then a checker flag.
Okay, so it's 3 laps total. Guys, start them up. It's Jamie and Harry. Start these engines up. You're on that one, otherwise known as the losing machine. This is the... right here live. All right. Ready to go? Ready? Pace it lap. Okay. Go ahead. There we go. Okay. Dean, who gets the trophy?
Well, I think you were slacking, and the victor again.
Jeremy.
Here we go.
Here's the trophy.
All right, next year you're going down.
You said that 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Southern Tier Power Sports. You can race your power, your lawnmower down in Cincinnati on Sundays. Check them out on Facebook, Southern Tier Power Sports. Jeremy.
We are the champions.
All right, let's take it back inside.
Southern Tier Mower Sports.
Southern Tier Mower Sports. Molly, I just didn't get it.
Woo! That's all right, Brandon. We're still proud of you. That was a thrilling race.
All right.
Started to pick up at the end. Good job, guys.